Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the factory reset now. First, make sure the case and AirPods have enough charge and that both buds sit in the case. Once charged, open your iPhone settings, tap Bluetooth, and tap the information icon next to your AirPods. You need to choose Forget this device to unlink it from your Apple ID. Make sure to confirm. This removes paired data so the reset can fully restore defaults. After forgetting, keep the case lid open and proceed to the next steps immediately. Now perform the hard reset. With the lid open and AirPods inside, press and hold the small setup button on the back of the case. Keep holding for about 15 seconds. You'll see the LED change from amber to flashing white. That white flash tells you the AirPods have been reset to factory settings and are discoverable. If the LED never flashes white, make sure the case and buds have charge, then repeat the hold. Once you see white, close the lid briefly and prepare to reconnect. Finish by reconnecting. Bring the case close to your iPhone with the lid open and follow the on-screen setup animation. Tap Connect and complete setup. Make sure Bluetooth is on and your device software is up to date. If pairing fails, try restarting your phone and repeat the reset. This often clears lingering Bluetooth cache. One key troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, reset the phone's network settings or test with another device to isolate whether the AirPods or the phone is at fault before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.